Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on. In this ribbon, we are having another option there, that is view. So we will be watching all the functionalities available on in this view ribbon. All these functionalities like query setting, formula bar, what all these things are doing till query dependencies. So let's get started with the video. This video is nothing but we will be aware, we will be getting awareness that what all these options are and why these options are here, what's its usage. So let's explore one by one. So first option we come across with is query setting. So it is under this layout section. So query setting is nothing but here you can see it is the pane which is of query settings. So either we can close it from here or we can close it from here or make it display from here only. Now this formula bar when we are we are checking it, that then this formula bar whatever it is here, it is getting displayed. If we are unchecking this, it will be vanished. Now this another option is of data preview section. Now so there is mono space, so it is nothing but it's the styling of the data set, what how it will be written, that's it. Another one is show white space. So basically if you can see and you can observe, right now we in this particular window, country column is half showed here. Right from city it is fully showed till region, correct? So when we will click on uncheck this show white space, what it will do is it will take up the value, it will take up the column which will be appropriately displayed into this uh, window. Starting from country. So country was half covered, this time country is full covered. That means it will show it's a visually appealing thing which it covers. That means country will be showed fully now, and it will go till whatever the window size may be. So right now product id is not getting covered up, but from left side whatever it is getting started, it will cover up whole thing of that particular column. So hope this is clear. And then column quality is nothing but when we will click on it, we can see that it is giving us three observations, that is how many values in this particular column is valid, how many having error, how many is empty. So you can see that in this particular one is valid 99%, empty is less than 1%. So as per the data set, it will give you a meta information basically. So let me uncheck this again and go to column distribution. When we will check this, you can see that it will give you two values. That is how many number of distinct values are into this customer ID or a particular column have, or this another thing it will show you is the unique value. So 112 is the unique value in this particular column. So that information it will give you for each one of the data. Fine. Now I will uncheck this column profile. When we will click over it, we can see that we can have where all the metadata information. That means what is the count of whole column, and then what's the error how many error are there in whole data set. So it will give you all the metadata information, what is the minimum, what is the maximum, everything about a particular column. So it will give you that thing here. So let me close it. Column profile, let me go to uncheck this column profile, and now move ahead with this go to column. Go to column is nothing but if you want to if in your data set there are a lot of columns, near about suppose more than 50 or 50 something large in number, and if you want to search out the column which you want to jump over it, so there are two options. Either we can go manually and then search it, that will be a time taking and that's not the best practice. So once we will go on to go to column, it will prompt a window in from which we can select that particular column. Suppose country is the one, on click of ok, it will directly take you there. So you can search it by having go to column option. Now there is allows. So there is nothing but this is for parameters. So whatever parameter in previous videos we saw, you can check out those videos as well from my playlist. So this parameter whatever we are creating, it that will only be created once this always allow will be checked. If you will uncheck this, that will not be parameter will not be considered in any function or anywhere if you want to use it. Another thing is advanced editor. It's nothing but a code for a transformation of a data transformation you want to write in M language. So it's the editor to write that particular transformation code over there. So once you will click it, it will open up a new window in front of you. You can see that in this particular whole data set, what all transformations have been applied. All these transformations have been applied here. So it is with respect to M language. Similarly, for this query dependencies, it is nothing but whatever queries we are having, that means fact query and then query one, everything. These things are visually shown by this Power Query Editor window, that how each of the query is linked to each other. What are the dependencies over one query over the other. So that's it, that not pretty much, and it was all the awareness session that how what all view options we are having into this Power Query window. So any confusion, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the videos. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video guys.